I never thought that I'd be making a video like this. This channel is meant to be a space to inspire creativity, curiosity, calmness, and joy. And this is so far away from any of those things. But I think that in order for me to find my way back to those things, I need to acknowledge that this has happened to me. On the 1st of January 2021, we found out that the baby I had been growing in my tummy for the past 17 weeks had died. I am beyond heartbroken and feel so very lost. Making music has always been medicine for my soul, and nature has always grounded me and brought me a sense of calm. So when the sun magically appeared yesterday, after many days of heavy grey, I knew what I had to do. I thought that maybe by sharing this with you, that maybe in all of this darkness I could create a little bit of light in the hope of inspiring the brokenhearted to find ways of using music, art, and nature to help in their own personal healing journey. Sending light and love, Ellen.
Oh my God, I wish this was all a bad dream. I keep wondering how's this happening to me. Wasting time wondering why you would use your light on me. Wasting time wondering why you would lose your light in me. My June, my June, my June, my June. Oh my God, I keep going around the same bend. I keep blaming myself for the silliest, littlest things. Wasting time wondering why you would use your light on me. Wasting time wondering why you would lose your light in me. My June, June, my June, June. Wasting time wondering why you would use your light on me. Wasting time wondering why you would lose your light in me. My June. My guitar's gotten untuned because of the cold. Sounds awful.
No, it doesn't. That was the tick.
Yeah.